Every breath you take, every move you make, every bound you...
Hey guys, it's Julia from MyMM. Today I'm going to share with you 7 ways to look chic while you're on the go.
Every single day,
When you're busy running around town, it's so hard to change up your outfit, but it's so easy to just change your shoes. Like this pair of statement heels that I keep in the office. It's a great transitional piece to go from day to night, from work to like a dinner or to an event. I always keep it on me. It elevates my look and instantly make me look $1 billion.
heart aches with every step you take, every move.
I always carry several lipsticks when I'm on the go. For example, my favorite is this one from Tom Ford. Look at the packaging, it's so luxurious. And the color is called Forbidden Pink. It's this pinkish coral shade that goes with pretty much everything. And I love lip colors because it can really change up your look instantly.
On the sea of face, I look around, but it's you I can't read.
I am one of those people that when I need an extra boost of energy, I pull my hair up. I don't know, there's just something about that. There's this subtle sense of concentration, or it just makes me feel more powerful. And so I always keep these hair clips on me in my bag or in my office, just in case I need that extra boost of energy. You know, if you're an urban woman who's always running around the city, from the office to the airport, then you know that you get really tired and you want to cover up your eyes, and this is the best way. And I love cat eye sunglasses because it lifts up your face, gives you that instant boost, universally flattering. You know how after a long day, especially if you're in the office or if you're on the plane, your face gets so dry? I heard that dry skin actually gives you wrinkles. That's not sexy. So usually what I do is I use mists like this one from Grown Alchemist. You can put it underneath your makeup or on top of it to set your makeup and use it throughout the day to hydrate your face.
Everybody knows how scent can really influence how you feel and how you act, and that's why I'm kind of a perfume freak. But perfumes are so basic, and sometimes it could be really artificial and feels really unnatural. And so I think hair perfume is like a great way to complement it. And this one from Balmain, the texturizing salt spray, is perfect because it gives you that instant like feeling that's so fresh. So even if you haven't washed your hair for days, you know, it still feels like super fresh and nice. And it has the texturizing effect too, so then it gives your hair that instant volume.
Every girl has a type of jewelry that they can't leave home without, whether it be rings, earrings, or bracelets. For me, it's all about the earrings. I feel so naked without them. Like this pair of statement earrings I have right here, I will add it to like a daytime look to transition it to something entirely different, perfect for the nighttime. So much drama. Hope you guys learned a thing or two about staying chic while on the go today. If you want more videos like this, make sure to check back to MyMM in the future. I'll see you next time. Bye!